I wanted it to like not bump.
What's this? What's in there? Oh, what is that? Is that a piece to something? Oh my goodness. Yeah. Yeah, you know what those are going to do? Those are going to go woo woo. Yeah. Here's another. Oh, there's the engine. Yeah, that's the engine. Oh boy. Yeah, use it. Open up that one. Get to going. Yeah. Ooh, that's the engine.
She's like, I got this big fluffy thing on.